Rose de Mer. Reveal a better you. Rose de Mer is a 100% natural peeling based on a unique blend of herbs and marine plants that effectively lift the skin to promote easy shedding of dead skin cells. By creating a directed microtrauma, Rose de Mer naturally repairs aging skin, hyperpigmentation, acne, and scarring to reveal visibly younger, firmer, and healthier looking skin. Rose de Mer is a 5-step treatment that begins in the salon and continues with home care that is designed to completely remove dull and damaged epidermal layers. Step 1 begins treatment by cleansing the skin with an antiseptic soap. The Sea Herbal Deep Peel of Step 2 contains a unique blend of corals, herbs, and marine plants that create a natural peeling process. These corals contain microscopic silicates that cause biostimulation by penetrating the skin cells, affecting collagen and cellular regeneration, while improving blood circulation and lymphatic drainage. In Step 3, the soothing mask contracts pores to lock active ingredients into the skin layers for continued stimulation. Step 4 creates a protective layer, shielding vulnerable skin from environmental elements, while locking ingredients inside the pores for a better peeling result, simultaneously lifting skin. In the final step, Rose de Mer calms the skin with a lightly colored cover cream, designed to soothe and protect the newly uncovered skin. Rose de Mer is a powerful peeling process that naturally removes the skin from the inside out. Millions of miniature coral silicates with powerful oligoproteins, sea salt, and calcium enter cells to deliver minerals and nutrients. Manual massage causes friction, stimulating blood flow, resulting in an intense heating sensation. Increased heat creates a directed microtrauma, stimulating and naturally regenerating collagen fibers. Rose de Mer home-use products are an essential element of the treatment. They continue the peeling action over the course of 3 to 5 days, stimulating and accelerating the natural healing process. The epidermal cells infused with salts and silicates dehydrate and begin separating from the lower dermis layers. Accelerating the natural biological process, Rose de Mer encourages the entire epidermal layer to lift off, allowing the dermis to generate new and healthy cells. Rose de Mer, the professional esthetician's comprehensive tool for skin resurfacing and rejuvenating, provides visible results and restores a healthy, youthful glow.